The other day I was talking to my husband about the phrase practice makes perfect. And he said, no, that's not true. It is perfect practice makes perfect. Practice makes permanent. And I thought about that and I'm like, oh yeah, that really does apply to speech as well. Because what happens if you have a kid who goes to speech at school and say the speech therapist teaches them how to produce the R sound, tells him to lift his tongue up, put it back in the middle, squeeze tight. And then the kid thinks he has it, and then he goes home and he practices it and he practices all the wrong things. So there he's practiced it over and over again. That habit will become permanent, just like the original bad habit was permanent. So it's really important when you are practicing the sound at home to make sure your child is practicing it correctly. And to do that, you have to know what is the right way to practice the sound. Because if the child learns how to practice something the wrong way, he's going to make that a permanent habit and say the sound incorrectly from then on. And it's going to take a lot of practicing it correctly to fix that problem. So when your child goes to school, to the speech therapist, and comes home learning how to make a sound, make sure that when you're practicing with him or her at home, that they're practicing the right way. If you're not sure how to practice that sound with your child, then check out online information or my online courses at clarityspeechandlanguage.com. And remember, perfect practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and have a great day.